Well, today we had a very ugly incident. We had some visitors or the tourists who come here to do their practice here by jumping with their umbrellas. And today in the morning around 7:30, they flew two of them. One of them is by the names of Thomas Rodinick. He's aged for the 6 years and is a citizen of Czech Republic. And he was also flying with another lady by the names of Alice Pasi Kimberly. And when they reached at the Kipka escarpment, I don't know what happened, but their umbrella collapsed. They fell down and they died. When we reached there, they had already died, but they have been carried to Iten mortuary, waiting for post-mortem.